Hey everybody, it's Captain Drew Cavanaugh here from Florida Inshore Fishing Charge, and today I'm going to do a review of the Meguiar's Ultimate Quick Wax Hydrophobic Polymer Technology. So this is a wax that I use not only on my vehicles, but I use it on my boats a lot and my RVs. It's easy to use. You can use it dry or wet. Spray it on. And I've noticed when I use it on the boat, to me it feels like I'm getting better fuel mileage. Maybe it's resistance, laws of physics, but just put it on there and wipe it off just like that. And it gives it that smooth, waxy coat. Just let it dry. You can use it on your vehicle, use it on your camper, use it anywhere, fiberglass. Just read the directions, but I highly suggest it. If you're looking for something to keep your vehicle or vessel looking good, the Meguiar's Ultimate Quick Wax, I think you're going to like it just as much as I do. Thank you for watching. Everybody have a great day. Thank you.